Hey guys, welcome. Oh no! Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, don't. Holy shit. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a really quick video. It is going to be a unboxing of the VKK Multifunction Facial Cleansing Brush. This was sent to me in PR. Very, very excited about it. The reason why this video is going to be short is because I have already done my skincare. I don't want to go in and do anything aggressive because I did a peel. And this is a manual tool that does not irritate the skin, but there's a lot of like things going on. So I just want to do first impressions and unbox it and just see what's up. Then I will do an actual video using it maybe tomorrow morning, and then probably, yeah, I'll do it tomorrow morning and night and do both and combine the videos just so you guys can see it with multiple steps, because my morning routine is very minimal and then my nighttime routine is a little more intense. That'll be a better time to test this. Alright, so I'm gonna wait for that to stop and then I'll be back. Okay, it stopped as soon as I pressed the stop record button, so let's just open her up. So it is a slide up box, opens just like that, very satisfying to open. There is a sleeve right when you open it with instructions. Oh, it's so cute. So there are instructions. Put cotton on absorption area, long press to vibration mode to remove makeup deeply. Long press to vibration mode, massage your face and clean facial cleanser with brush. So there's obviously a little bit of a language barrier here. I feel like I'm taught to you right now, that last video. Please put in children. Long press to vibration mode, massage your face and clean with brush, and then switch to warm absorption mode. Massage your face to help essence absorb better. Switch to vibration mode, massage and lift the face with back of brush. So this is a multi-function tool. It will clean, it will massage your face, warm to absorb product in, and then it will also again massage to help like firm and tighten. Comes with another little envelope here that has, what is this? Just a thank you from the company with a little QR code if you wanted to get more information. Also says that this is a money back guarantee. Again, I did get this in PR, so if I don't like it, obviously I can't ask for money back. I'm just gonna keep it and give it to a friend or something like that. But so that is the information that comes with it, and then here's the device. So we have the device itself here, and then some more accessories behind. We have a little pouch. I'm assuming this is to help carry it. Oh, and it comes with little razors. Actually, I forgot that it did that. I saw that in the little one sheet like thing that they sent me. Cute. So that'll help browse. Very cute little sachet to help keep this clean while you're traveling with it. A USB adapting charging cord. And it looks like this is a DC adapter, so you will need, it won't work with any USB port. And then the device itself, so let me just pop that out. You guys, it's so cute. It feels really nice too. And then underneath here, it looks like, what is this? This is more instruction. So we have the cord here, which just plugs right into the back side like that. I don't know if it has power right out of the box, but let me check. We have this little ridged edge right here, which is going to be like the massaging aspect. And then we have the actual heating element, which will help massage and push products into the skin. And then you have this little silicone textured top part, which is going to help cleanse, very similar to the Foreo. And this ring pops off and reattaches magnetically, so you would put like a cotton round here, and then that'll help massage your skincare in. Let's just see. I don't know if you guys can see. There is a plus, a minus, and then an on button. So it doesn't seem like there's any charge out of the box. I'm just gonna let this charge for a little bit just so we can see what it feels like really quick, and then again, another day I'm gonna do a full actual, like probably tomorrow, actually using it. But yeah, I'm gonna plug this in so we can hear it and see how strong the vibration is, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so the device has charged a little bit, so I'm gonna turn it on. You wanna hold down the button in the middle, it says. You guys can hear, and if I press lower, that actually has quite a few different speeds. Oh, well, yeah, that's actually quite a strong vibration. It's not as strong as the Clarisonic, I would say, but it's definitely actually stronger than a Foreo. And then to activate the warming setting, you turn it on and then press it short, like one click, and then it will pulse. Takes a little bit, but it is It is starting to get warm now. Ooh, it actually gets quite warm. That's nice actually. And then on the back side, if you switch it back to vibration, the back side with the two ridges is to lift and like massage. Feels really nice actually. And the silicone is very smooth. It was sent to me in PR, but if you were to buy this retail at MSRP, it was about $35. And you get the two little razors, which is great. I actually just used them now and it was very nice to clean up my brows with. But yeah, so I am very excited to receive this. Thank you so much VKK for sending it over to me. And tomorrow for my morning routine, I will use this and then film again at night to show you how I use it with masks and whatnot. This is a first impressions for this product, but not this technology. I do work at Sephora, so I use the Foreo and have to talk about it constantly. I've owned Clarisonic, and then tools like this are just something that we did use in school. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing first impressions, and stay tuned for my upcoming video showing my actual use and demo with the VKK multifunction cleansing brush. All right, I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.